Guys, I got something so good, so revolutionary, it's going to change my channel forever. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. I'm not used to doing a video like this. This is something new to me. I've never did this before, so we will continue on and pretend this is super professional. And yeah, because I'm very professional, aren't I? I hope you guys have been having a good day so far. I just wanted to kind of start this video by saying, yes, there is something I'm going to be revealing, and I'm very, very excited. I've had this for a couple weeks now. I've just been waiting for the time to reveal what I have. I kind of want to start off this video by talking about the history of my channel, so that way you guys are caught up on basically how it got to this point. For those who don't know, my channel was originally going to be a gaming channel. It was going to be involved in racing, because I mean, I've always loved cars pretty much my whole entire life. It was still going to be a car related channel, but it was not going to be where it is right now. I had ideas of doing like live streams and, you know, talking about news about certain racing stuff, and that was my go-to plan. What ended up happening was just, I think I happened to realize that gaming itself as an industry is just really difficult to kind of pop off and get, I wouldn't say famous in a way, but kind of get noticed. Because gaming is something that anybody can pretty much do. You can pick up a controller and, you know, commentate, that kind of stuff. So it was going to be really difficult for me to get into that type of niche and kind of just, you know, kind of roll with it, get good at it. I've always been good at racing games. The racing games have always been my passion. When I was 5, I ended up playing like Need for Speed Underground 2. I ended up playing Need for Speed Most Wanted, Midnight Club 3, Midnight Club 2, the older Burnout games like Burnout 3, Burnout Takedown. I think it was the same thing. Burnout Revenge. And then when I got the 360, I ended up playing like the older Forza Motorsport. I never really thought about kind of going toward this kind of vlogging route, because I'll be honest with you guys, I was definitely afraid to show my face when I first started doing this. And then I ended up watching some videos of some like local YouTubers around where I live, and it kind of got me motivated to kind of start doing this. My GoPro, I've had this for a couple years now. I got it as a Christmas gift. How I was in the past was like, whatever was hot now I wanted. I didn't want to use it, obviously. I was kind of like a spoiled kid, you know? I kind of wanted it just because I wanted it. It looked cool, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. And I ended up getting it. This GoPro was the step down of what was new at the time. If you guys look at my descriptions, it is a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. And I think the 8 or the 9 was out at the time. I ended up getting kind of like an older version, or I was seeing reviews, and people kept saying, you know, the camera was iffy for them and it kept messing up, that kind of stuff. So far, I've had this for a couple years now, and this camera has been doing solid. I'm very happy with it. I've been able to do tons of videos, and because of this, you know, I've been kind of pushing myself out of my comfort zone. You know, I'm not afraid to show my face now. I'm not afraid to show my face now, and that's something I'm just comfortable with already at this point. Traveling wise, you know, I've been going to like different places in Tennessee. You know, I'll go to Pigeon Forge a lot, for example. I've been going to Nashville a couple times. I've been out of state, where I went to Formula Drift last year. Been to Bristol, Virginia. Been to, I think, North Carolina a few times for shows. This camera has just been pushing me to kind of get myself out of my comfort zone. Right now, you know, my goal this year, for example, is kind of work on my commentary. I've been struggling with that, kind of repeating myself. I'm excited for the future. I'm excited to kind of just get ready and keep moving forward. I think for me as a YouTuber, you guys may think this too, I don't know. You're never really satisfied. It might be weird for me to say that, but I mean, you know, all the videos that I make, for example, I think I do pretty decent on. I think it's edited in the way in which I like it. Of course, you know, people are going to have their opinion. People are going to talk with their views and their likes, obviously. You know, you're never really satisfied. I think as a YouTuber, you're always striving to get better. For me this year, that's kind of where I've been taking steps forward to try to improve myself and improve the things around me. I've had this GoPro for about 2 or 3 years now. I've loved it, and it still works fine. It's a pretty good camera. I'm lacking a bunch of stuff to where I feel like I could do better. 4K is definitely kind of the next step up. Stabilization, this camera does not have stabilization. And on top of that, you know, I'll only have like one battery. So you guys heard me complaining in previous videos that if my battery goes out, that's it. I can't do anything else because I don't have multiple batteries for this thing. You guys kind of, I guess, know what's going to be coming up. So I ended up buying something, and I think it's going to change the way my channel looks and stuff for the future. So I'm just not gonna stall anymore. I know I've kind of given you guys kind of like a little story about what's been going on. I want to reveal something that's going to be really good for the future of this channel. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and reveal to you guys what I have been keeping for weeks. Hold on, I might have an idea. Oh my gosh, how did this get here? I knew it was going to get here quick, but I didn't think it'd be that quick. This here is my new camera I'm going to be using for future videos. This is my DJI Osmo Action 4. I am stepping away from the GoPro. There's a reason why. I'll give you a couple reasons why. If you guys want to see like an unboxing of this thing, let's shoot for 10 likes on the video. Actually, you know what? No. 15. We'll do 15. 15 likes and I'll do an unboxing of this glorious camera. So, a little bit about this camera. I've been kind of watching videos of comparison videos between like the newest GoPro, which is the Hero 12, and this thing, the Osmo Action 4, which it's got another, I think, something else that came out with it. This I actually got at a sale that was on the DJI website. I was able to get the whole thing, this whole action pack. They sell the camera separate, but you can also get like separate packs for it itself. But I ended up getting this for like $100 cheaper, which is fantastic. At this point in time, I don't know if the sale's still going on. I'll put it in the video if the sale's still going on or not. The main reason I got this camera over a new GoPro was just the reliability of this thing. I didn't really care too much about quality. This thing can go up to about 4K 120, and that's fine. I know the GoPro Hero 12 can go up to like 5.3K, I believe what it is. I didn't really need all that quality. 4K is fine. I don't think I need to go up any farther than that. This thing itself has a lot of good settings that's so easy to use. It's got stabilization on it. It's also, this pack itself has also 3 batteries and a charging case, which is absolutely fantastic. Something I've been wanting to get on this thing for an action camera, I should say, for a long time with multiple batteries. And I finally was able to get it. So I'm very excited to debut this camera. Can't wait to start using it. I've been watching videos trying to kind of learn a little bit more of the camera as I go. If everything goes well, this camera, I plan to debut it on March 15th at the Corvette Expo car show. And I'm very excited to kind of bring you guys some 4K quality videos. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm looking forward to bringing out this camera. It's going to be exciting times. This should last me a little while, or probably a long while, I should say. Like I say, if you guys bring me 15 likes on this video, I'll unbox this thing, and then we can see it all together. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll hope see you guys at the next car show. Like I said, March 15th, Corvette Expo. Hope to see you guys there. Until next time, guys, take care. God bless. Have a good one. This is my DJI Osmo Action 4.